Enter the password key to unlock the parcel box. Change the current password to the random password. Open the parcel box using master key. When the parcel box is open, Blink will send notification. Turn on the switch and press the reset button to turn on the Google Sheet data. The blue LED will blink twice. This is where the record will be displayed. When auto mode is enabled, the password will automatically update to minutes after the parcel box is open. You can turn it on or off whenever you like.